she doing? What? We're
Little,
playing.
little video of nap time.
She's playing, and I'm
Look
watching.
at grabbing that foot.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. How'd you do that?
Yeah, she's
that.
grabbing it.
She's like, reaching in on your foot right here. That's right. I can do it, Daddy. little cheerleader. Do a little cheerleader pose. Little gymnast. Little gymnast.
It almost seems like she's catapulting leg to hit the things.
Yeah, she's holding it back like a whip so she can kick it hard. That's probably what she's doing. She's like, I'm gonna keep Mama just barely awake. I gotta come up with creative ways to make a racket.
Exactly.
That's right. But until then, I'll just chill out here a little bit. I'll just chill out here a little bit. Just to barely let Mama get in like stage 0.5 sleep. You know, the kind like when you're in church and you kind of doze off and you're or in school, like that. That's right. A little psychological warfare.